Hey guys, this is Max from Audeka, and I'm gonna make a quick video on a presentation of a plugin called Morph. And basically what this plugin allows you to do is take any two sounds you want and make a single sound out of those two sounds. And so the routing for this thing is kind of counterintuitive. So if you're ever lost, just check the manual. They have a step-by-step process. Here's the FL Studio section. They have it for each DAW, whatever applies to you. So just grab a couple bass lines. Just route these two through the mixer. And so you want to put the first one, you want to put the Morph plugin on the first one. And so A and B represent the two sounds that you have going through it. And so you want to side chain the second insert into the first one. You right click down here, you click side chain to this track. Disable the master so that you have the Morph plugin going out to the master. Now you want to go to the Morph and then go to settings, go to processing. Doesn't matter which one you turn this to 1. This just indicates this is source A and B. Actually, this is A and this is B. So it doesn't matter which one. So we'll give this a play. This is sound A. And if I go this way, this is just crossfading the volumes. But when you go vertically, it'll morph the two. So this side is saying that A is going to B, and so this side is saying B is going into an A. So it sounds a little different. As you can hear, it's kind of stopping because this one is following this second one, and so there's spaces in between, and that's why you don't hear a lot of audio in between. It's pretty cool. Well, yeah, you can do this for any sound. Just take two sounds and it'll run it through some algorithms. There's some presets here. Different way it's processing it, I guess. You can throw drum loops with a bass line. The bass line will follow the drum loop, like whatever. It's pretty cool. Well, that's it, and I hope you guys have a nice day.